say that. Nothing makes me more mad. Stop falling for it. You know what? Stop falling for these fists in your face. Every single one of you.
Welcome to the rest of your life, criminal scum.
Dude, oh my god, look at this, man. He's literally tied me up.
Look up.
Ah! What was that about? He just shot me.
This is your new home. Look at this. Welcome to Donnie headquarters.
Rat. Where are we going? Oh, look, Donnie. Donnie.
You better step back on that pressure plate.
Oh, I have a door. We're gonna leave that door. Donnie.
Oh, it came off. It came off. It came off. No, where are you going? Where are you going?
No, he got me. No.
Cell block 9A.
No, I hate the number 9, please. Is that my toilet?
He's in adventure mode, so we can't touch anything now. Look at this. Remember what you did.
Dude, are you serious? This guy's it's food. It's like you put it in crops, man. You just
remember what you did.
Okay, that's just overkill.
Look at this. Look at you littering.
Criminal scum. This guy's the worst human being.
Look at this. He's littered.
Stop enabling this. Stop.
I may have got a bit crazy, but shut up.
Yeah,
I don't
I'm gonna fit through this. I'm gonna break it actually.
Give me everything right now. Give me everything. Put it here.
Give me everything. Ah! Okay, take it.
To rob it all.
I'm gonna keep a sword, guys. Look.
That could be good.
Oh wait, we can't burn netherite.
He's trying to burn netherite. This is the guy that you guys give 6 million subscribers to.
Rot in jail.
I said rot in jail. Oh, I thought we were kissing. Whoa!
Dance for me.
Is this guy insane? Has he lost his mind?
Another criminal off the street. I'm a hero.
He said, look outside.
Look at him. You stupid idiot. Let's go get another one. Let's find out what we're doing next, baby. Let's do this. Oh
Versus
my
Dave.
god, what's going on? Giving a weapon to a minor. Oh no.
Let's get some food here. Let's get some bread. It's all about a balanced diet. I'm all about the carnivore diet, right? I got my steak. I've been eating steak for ages now, but I need some bread with this too.
I have
I will
no
do
idea
it.
how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have to give him the
Also,
weapon,
Skipper,
for him to
why-
give
why-
it back to me, and then
Never mind.
somehow catch him on camera doing that. This is gonna be ridiculously stupid.
Plus, it's great because I can mock Donnie because he can't like eat real bread or anything. Speak of the devil. Great. Please leave me alone, sir.
Oh god, because technically, right, I know what you're thinking, Donnie. You're not a minor, but it's fine. My YouTube channel's only 8 years old, so Donnie the Owl is 8 years old, so...
They stopped recommending it.
Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll show Donnie the bread, and then I'll make fun of him because he can't eat bread. He's got one of those gluten intolerances, whatever that means.
Wait, maybe if we... What weapons are there in Minecraft? I don't want him to be too suspicious. What if I just give him a crossbow? Is this technically a weapon, right?
Look at this bread you can't eat, buddy. You like that?
I'll say hello, uwu.
Greetings. Like this bread, you know, because you can't eat it.
Wait, I have to have a reason for showing him why. So I'll do /enchant Donnie Bones Unbreaking 1.
Oh, he just enchanted the crossbow, so we're already cheating. We're already cheating here.
Start recording. There we go. I'm gonna say, please give it back.
Take it back, dude.
Oh my god. Thanks.
I don't want that. I don't need that.
I just brought out a gun.
Wait.
Oh god, I think he just saw me bring out a gun.
Do you want
Wait.
some bread?
No, bye. Disconnect. Go check out the camera.
Heads, he actually left, and tails, he's at vanish right now. I don't know. I'm hoping he actually left.
There, look. Oh my god. We got the action shot. There we go. Boom. And he even says Donnie Bones.
Okay, we got the iron. It's all done. Very good.
And just like that, we're back. Okay.
Oh my god, he's back.
So now we have to we can get it in game. We get empty.
Of course he's back. Why wouldn't he be back? Oh my god.
Grab the picture just like that. Oh my, look. He even says my name.
Barricade my...
My gluten
What's this?
allergy. This is about what we have you on giving weapons to a minor.
Giving weapons to a minor? Donnie Bones, a minor.
God.
What a joke, dude.
This is you.
Okay.
Giving a weapon to a kid. Look at this. How dare you?
What?
Give me a weapon.
Why is this on my
Got the mental capacity of a kid, baby.
Donnie Bones is 8 years
I
old.
want to say.
Dang, only 3.5 mil in 8 years. I'm just making it work.
Only 3.5 million in 8 years.
Okay.
Then I don't care.
Let me out. I'll give you the bread back. I'll give you the bread back. Take the bread, friend.
This is the sound of the police.
Oh, I'm out. I'm out.
Oh wait, we lost him.
I'm running. Oh, he's gonna cheat to get me. Get the boat. Get the boat.
I care about water. Terrain. The guy's trying to be terrain.
Evasive maneuver. He can go underwater without getting it's an all-terrain vehicle. Oh my god. Oh no.
Yeah, buddy. Get drive-by.
He's gonna make me drown. He's gonna actually kill me. I'm being waterboarded by the cops. Oh my god.
Get in the car. Which one is it gonna be?
I'm dying. I'm in the car. I'm dying.
Right, click the car.
Bread.
Yeah, buddy.
Mixo!
Oh my god, this is gonna be
Please
fun.
join
I've
Mixo.
got
I
leads.
beg
Can I
of you,
trap
Mixo.
him when he gets there? I'm gonna let him get there with me, and then I'm gonna trap him.
Guys, don't worry, okay? I'm a professional driver. Just watch this.
Okay, here we go. He's gonna think I'm being compliant. Okay, this dude's just drifting. He's having a fun time.
Yo, that's kind of sick, guys. Don't even lie.
Look at this park job. Look at this awful park job.
All right, guys. He asked for this. I'm sorry.
How about them apples, kid?
Right click me or I shoot right now. Put the lead down.
Fine. Yo, don't watch this guy's videos anymore. He's falling off, man. This kid's lost it.
You little scumbag. You're going up on the wall.
He's off the deep end, man.
Right next to... Okay, he's still in there.
Yes!
Oh, look at Linux. Of course,
Okay.
Linux gets caught.
Got me.
Cell 9A. Yo, here we go. Give me this thing.
Look what he did.
Oh, it's a huge photo.
Anyway, should I watch the Funny 3? Oh my. Goofy videos. Oh my god, this is actually a good video.
DS is kind of poo-poo. It reminds me of doo-doo.
Literally on the server and I'm TFT. I'll shoot right here. I don't care.
1 second. Officer, please.
Remember what you did.
Hell yeah.
Look at that disgusting weasel over here. And look at that Chad right there. Look at that Chad. Oh my gosh.
We're out of here.
Do I have a picture of Rage Plays Games on my wall? Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys, I think I've gone a bit crazy with power.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's only
That's
one.
it. Ooh.
Why is he big? You know what? Leave him.
Oh, it's so good.
Another criminal off the server. Oh my god, we cleared it up today, baby.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Please.
Oh god.
Is he gone?
Look out the window.
Look out the window.
You little rat.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Remember that. Let's get out of here.
Is he gone? Is he gone?
Scoo.
I can't break stuff in here. No. No. I was going to get out the door.
We got another one, boys. Let's go get another one.
Why can't I break stuff? Did he? Oh no! Did he put me on
more.
adventure mode or something? Ever since I trapped him with that thing? No!
Guys, I think we're losing it. Let's see what we get next. Come on, please be something good. Be something crazy, please. Oh, imagine we get Grand Theft Auto or using. Oh my god, using explosive. That's gonna be insane. Please, please.
I'm going to Breaking Bad. If I see,
How are we gonna get someone to steal a vehicle? Oh, this is gonna be mental.
I
I
will
was just
walk the
tending
white.
to the animals in the water, right? And then I see this. What is this? What is this giant crater in the middle of our freaking city?
This is how she's gonna steal a vehicle, okay? I've got,
I
look,
will
a
be
shopping
killed
cart in my
faster
hand, and if you
than-
place it down, it's actually a car. Look at this. Look at this. Who do you know that has a shopping cart that you can drive and do donuts with?
If I
I
find
bet
it,
you guys that Donnie had something to do with this. Whether
That's
it's a
what
bomb,
I'm going
meteor,
to
who knows, bro? This has
Make-
Donnie's name written all over it.
I'll be
proper
scared.
good
Wait,
FNF
oh my
song.
god, wait, I can drift. I can
but I'll never find
Okay,
it.
alright, I'll calm down.
They didn't patch it up or anything, man. There's a giant crater in our town. Like, who did this?
Right, Kipling is somewhere on this wall, but the only problem is she's not near her house, so we're gonna have to go find her and give her the shopping cart. Catch her on camera, getting in the shopping cart, and then, you know, Professor Burke comes out of nowhere.
No one is gonna have to patch us up, and it's not gonna be me.
Oh, Kipling! Don't just ignore the fact that everyone else is talking in chat.
God, no, I don't want to fall down. Get me out.
Don't worry, you have to be within like 10 blocks of someone to see their chat messages. That's why like Kipling doesn't react to Rage screaming, Donnie, stop! You know, but
Balls,
she's not in her house. She's definitely not here. Oh, it's right there. Look, her name tag. Hello.
Oh, Donnie?
Oh yeah, I forgot. I exploded Linux.
Hello? This was you, wasn't it?
This was you, wasn't it? No. If you haven't seen the show for that, I'll play a little clip. Here you go.
Screw it! I'm doing it! Oh!
Don't you dare lie to me. No? Sus. Very sus indeed. Sus.
Don't worry, guys. If anyone asks you questions and you don't want to answer the right thing, just lie.
Innocent till proven guilty, I guess.
Lying is good. Oh god, I've gone crazy.
Freaking giant crater.
I found a car.
Oh, no.
Wait, what?
Look at this.
Oh my god. What is this? What is
Got
that?
the car.
I found a car?
I'm gonna say try it.
Wait a second. Try it. Okay.
Let's drive the vehicle.
It's a shopping cart.
Yes.